So today we are on our way to pick out the granite and then to order the bedroom furniture. This looks like what's in the condo right now. I mean, could you just change the sink out? Ooh, this one's blue. Blue Baja granite. Look at that, Zane.
Wow.
Wow.
That is so ivory white.
Ivory white granite. It's an A. So that's one of the cheaper ones. It's mostly white. It's got some hints of red or something in there.
Greenish.
Biscotti granite. Is it green?
Let's put this way.
Yeah, I guess a little bit of green. No, don't go. I think I like the ivory white one better. What about this granite? Too busy?
Too busy, yes.
Too busy?
Too busy.
What about this granite? Ooh. Coffee brown caressed granite. All right, so this is the one you want to go with? The Shadow Storm calcite and a D. For the kitchen and the bathroom?
Let's just do it in the room.
Or you just want to do it with the kitchen?
Same.
You just want to do the same?
I
Well,
want to get the one over there.
well, we can ask them to price this for the kitchen and the bathroom, and then we can look for a quartz one if you want. We need to find a granite because calcite is like a marble and it will scratch, according to salespeople. Problem is, there's not a whole lot of granite that's kind of whitish. You gonna go over here? So I guess we got. Yeah, dolomite is kind of, she says, it's kind of like calcite. It's going to scratch.
Oh, it's going to scratch too.
So we need something that says granite. So if it don't say granite.
I mean, they sold this. But I just told me had no condo. Brown for women.
Yeah, this is the Himalaya granite. This is the one we have in the Miramar Beach condo, I think.
Is it?
I think. Yeah, this is the quartz we have in the Miramar Beach condo. What is it? Is a
Caribbean sand.
Caribbean sand Atlas quartz.
Everything.
Yeah. So option A would be get the granite for the kitchen and the bathroom. Option B would be get the granite for the kitchen and the F for the bathroom. Option C, get the granite for the kitchen and get a C quartz for the bathroom.
Yeah, because it's just a small condo. Clara?
So you want to try this C quartz for the bathroom, Carrera Atlas quartz as an option B. Do you still want to look at this other quartz? See how much that would cost? This. Yeah, where was it? Was it this one?
Yeah.
I don't know. I like that one better.
I like that one too.
You like this one or the C?
The C.
Okay. All right. Think we got a decision?
Yep.
White Galaxy granite. Maybe we'll try that.
Yeah.
So White Galaxy and the Carrera Atlas quartz. All right. Take two. So as far as the finishings for the countertops, we went with a double demi edge for the kitchen countertops and an eased edge finish for the bathroom. As far as the sinks, we went with an undermount
single compartment for the kitchen sink. I hope that's not going to be an issue. Currently, there's a double sink in there, so hopefully that's not going to be a plumbing issue that we're going to have to work through, and we'll see. And then for the bathroom, we did a similar undermount sink, just a square sink, single compartment. Should look pretty nice. And then as far as cost for the countertops, it came in at a total of $3,512. It's about as much as we paid last time. Only big difference is they're now charging $450 for going up the stairs. Last time they only charged about $150. I talked to the sales representative. I guess they've been having some issues with liability bringing heavy slabs up several sets of stairs. But that's what happens, I guess.
Halfway of the bed.
So this is the bed we're getting, huh? The dresser. Dresser's more than the bed. With the mirror? Oh, yeah. Where's that thing? I thought this had the, oh, there it is.
This one does not have to close.
No.
They have those slits.
Who has it?
So March 4th, it gets into their warehouse. Probably mid-March. I mean, that's right into spring break.
All right. So looking at our total budget so far, the bed and dresser came in just over $2,000, and with estimates of what we have left to go, it should bring our total budget to about $10,500. And we could save some costs in there if we maintain the current countertops and maybe went with a other selection for the bed and dresser, a cheaper brand. Probably would have brought the total budget down to about half that. But I think with the choices we made, it's going to work out great. We'll see.